How to add a calendar in Microsoft Loop. In this video, I'll show you how to add a calendar in Microsoft Loop. So to get started, go ahead and open Microsoft Loop into your preferred browser, sign into your Microsoft account, and then create a new page. So to create a new page, click on this Create New button at the top left of your screen, and then select Page from there. And then name this page. Now, once you have named it, go ahead and enter /calendar on the body, and that will allow you to generate this calendar into your body. And that is how you can add the calendar into your Microsoft Loop. So as you can see, you can also turn this into board or table depending on what you prefer. So this will allow you to make it easier to track the tasks that you have currently on this page. So once you're satisfied with this, you can go ahead and share this with your workmates or incorporate it with your workspace to easily track your deadlines. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.